This is Thomas Pangrazio with Parzival Plumbing Incorporated, where we specialize in video sewer inspection and resolving all of your drain issue needs. I'm at 2983 Ceylon in Costa Mesa. We're up on the roof going through the main vent stack. What you see right there is a 3/4 inch PVC drain line, maybe a 1 inch. Somebody got the idea to drain something into this vent line. You could see at 3 o'clock the pipe is completely open, meaning they drilled a hole that is bigger than the pipe diameter, and you could see that the sewer gases are just venting into the attic. I've never seen this. This is positively not up to code. This is a no-no. Could this be related to the problem? Possibly. If they've done work like this, the condensation drain line could potentially be leaking in the attic. Could potentially be getting down one of the walls. That doesn't explain why nobody has found wet walls up to this point. We're going down the vent. We're going to be dropping into the main sewer line. Right there is one of the toilet inlets. Okay. Right there is actually, those are the two toilet inlets right there. The other, I don't know if that was a lavatory faucet coming in. Could have been, but we've got at 5 o'clock and at 7 and 1 o'clock, you've got the two toilets going in. This is why it was probably very difficult to get the camera down the toilet line. It wants to skip over. Another drain inlet there. And now we are horizontal. So from the top of the roof to where the pipe is in the ground, we're at 15 feet. Probably closer to 14 feet. Get a little water there. It's somewhat normal. Shouldn't be water there, but still it's somewhat normal to see that. At this point, you're looking at the drain line is pretty typical, pretty normal. What we're looking at. And there is one area, I think, right around here. Let's see. We'll get out to the kitchen. It might be right in that area. We'll see if we could. There's one area that I've got some questions about. You can see it's camera's looking forward. It's not so easy to see what's going on. Typically, I've got a little bit of a sled on this that enables the camera head to be raised off of the ground. You get a little bit more better view. But because that pipe is in the vent wall, I can't get that little running guide down. So the camera head is skimming down at the bottom. We're going to go to right here. This is where the kitchen sink feeds into this line. Roughly 32 feet from the top of the vent. Probably about 15, 16 feet from the kitchen. That's where we'll stop, just simply because the problems that we're having here are not beyond the kitchen line. I'm going to try to find a section of pipe that perhaps a couple other people that have been here have noted and said that they thought there was a crack line. So yeah, I think we're looking at, it's about 21 feet. I think it's right there. Could see what looked like a little piece of pipe stick that was missing, but it's so difficult because this line the minerals build up on it, the line rust internally, and then things could chip off, and it's really hard to tell. So it's pretty rare that the base of a pipe could be missing. But that right there, it's certainly a possibility. If it was, we typically would see fragments of metal downstream. So anyhow, that's what we got.